Welcome to this video, and today I'm going to make my own water globes. The materials I used in making my water globes is first, jars that can be different in sizes. Next is the toys or beads, glue sticks, glue gun, some glitters, and my substitute for glycerin, which is clear glue. First, I attached the toys onto the underside lid of the jar using hot glue. You can also decorate the lid with beads if you want to occupy the spaces left. Next thing that you need to do is put a desired amount of clear glue onto the jar, pour the hot water, and mix. After mixing the glue and water, pour some glitters depending on your preference and mix it well. Attach the lid onto the jar and seal the jar with hot glue to avoid water leaking. Here is the water globe that I made. The clear glue substitute will make the glitters fall down more slowly. You can also try making water globes with no clear glue. Or make a jar decoration with no water inside. Water globes are perfect for display, for gifts, and also for the Christmas season. And that is how I made my own water globes using our household art products. Thanks for watching!